Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Dave Hideman. I'm the application specialist for the steel segment here at Trimble. And today I want to show you how you can use fixed drawing main view settings to better control the orientation of your parts and assemblies in your shop drawings. So first, to kind of explain what I mean by that, a lot of people will make their channel drawings and they don't realize that we have out-of-the-box settings to make sure that it's always showing the channel towing away or from back of channel. So what they get is something like this. Let me go ahead and just use some drawing settings that are meant for a beam, not for a channel. When I go ahead and create this drawing, what I'll get is a drawing showing it, and all of the dimensions are there, and there's nothing really wrong with this drawing, except it's not traditionally how you would show a channel. It's showing it with the toes toward me. It's doing this because it's using the left to right as the part was modeled from start handle to end handle. So while this might be great for beams, it's not so great for channels. So what we have to control this is actually a combination of settings. First, let's take a look in the model. This channel has a user-defined attribute attached to it called Fixed Drawing Main View. And right now it's saying that back should be the Fixed Drawing Main View. So to understand what that really means, you have to kind of look at the part. So when you look at a piece from start handle towards the end handle, and I'll bring up the profile catalog here so we can kind of get a comparison. As you look at the part, there is a top, there is a bottom, there is a front, and there is a back. So as this part is oriented in the profile catalog, like an I shape or an L or a T or a C, the top is obviously the top, but the front is going to be the right side when you're looking at that part from the start handle towards the end handle. So for a channel, it would be the inside of the web is the front. For a T, you would have to look at that shape as a T, and the right side web would be the front. For an angle, you look at that shape as an L, and the inside would be the front. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. So when you set the user-defined attribute, you're basing it off of that concept, which side is front, back, top, and below. So the user-defined attribute is currently saying, show me the back of channel. Well, what you have to do then on the drawing side, let me go ahead and reopen that drawing again. You have to tell the drawing which way to face, and we can do that on the View button under the Attributes tab. Currently, the coordinate system is set to local, so again, it's following that start handle to end handle, left to right. But there's also options for model, which is great when it's sloping or something like a handrail that you want to show in position. There's also some bracing options, but then there's this option for fixed. And when we use fixed and we say modify, you'll see that it automatically turns this channel so that the back side is the main view. So this can be used in a lot of other ways for a lot of other types of objects. So let me close out of this and look at that roof frame I had. So a roof frame, we don't have an out-of-the-box setting for a roof frame. So what we need to do is identify which part is the main part. So I can see that the angle closest to me is the main part. And if we take what I mentioned a minute ago, where I look at this frame, main part, from the start handle to the end handle, if it's an L, then this would be the front, kind of looking inside the vertical leg here. And then I have the back, so the top would be down here, and the bottom is technically facing up, facing positive Z. So what I can do is tell this, under the user-defined attributes for fixed drawing main view, show me the bottom as my main view. Now, if I use the same beam drawing settings again, what I'll get is a drawing setting that wasn't really meant for a roof frame. But again, if I go to those view properties, and I can save an attribute away like this, if I save this coordinate system instead of local as fixed, again, we can see how it's going to show me this roof frame from the top or from the side that I want. So by saving away attributes or just being aware of that fixed drawing main view, you have a lot better control about how your drawings look. So this is definitely something you need to practice a little bit to get a better idea of how this works. As always, for more information, you can always reach out to your local help desk. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.